crazy how
Right there. Right there.
Oh yeah, just another shifter duder.
Yeah, this one's all worn out in the pegs right here.
Oh yeah, might have had a bad day.
Yeah. I think what we ought to do is just pop that gizmodo out and see what it looks like.
Ta-da! Hey, that looks
Look at that.
That thing is nice.
That thing is a prime unit. So, what we're doing here, that needs more weld. What happened was we topped out. Ooh, that's kind of flipper flopping around too. It's a real wooden shifter right now. Inferior product. All right, anyway, so what we have is we got to the top of the chute in reverse. We backed up, and you might have heard in the video when I backed up, I was doing the rear dig to line up, and it kind of ground a little going into first. We backed up the chute, and we pulled around, and we hooked onto the car. And we were gonna pull the car down, and I didn't have first gear. Like, I had first gear, but it wouldn't stay in first gear. And so then we drove it down, and we were like, well, we'll deal with that at a later date. And here's the later date. That's gonna be way better. But like, see that little crack right there? And there's a little crack-a-madoo on the weld right there.
Boy, they wasted no extra weld on that, did they?
Well, they didn't want it, you know, to interfere with the
Say no to crack.
Okay. There's all of them.
Hang on, let me get this guy. There.
There's second. There's first. There's third. There's reverse. It's literally fixed.
Yeah! About time we win!
Fiji?
Some Fiji water.
Looking at me, look at that, ladies and gentlemen.
What we were dealing with here is utter professionalism.
Utter.
And get her down in nice and deep like. All right, here we are. So we're heading up over the Gemini Bridge to Shelf Road again. We're heading for Metal Masher Trail. We got a Jeep up there with an aftermarket axle in it, and the steering knuckle snapped. The aluminum steering knuckle, far superior to steel.
It's lighter.
I've got a bit of an idea on how to patch it together and get it drivable so we can drive off the trail. But worst case scenario, if we can't, we brought the wrecker. Luckily, if we got to carry it out, steering knuckles are aluminum.
Yeah.
It'll be lighter.
Yeah, it'll be lighter.
It's 4 in the afternoon, so we're gonna try and get up here and get this handled quick. our group. All right. All right. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Let's just back it up
Okay.
and get right here so we can pick it up. Pull that tire. We'll turn it around. Good, right there.
So, I'm guessing this is your vehicle?
Yeah.
Were you guys like hitting some sweet jumps or? No.
Well, we came up the
Okay.
easier of the hard lines
Yeah.
and just snapped. So.
Dang it.
Okay, so what I'm thinking is if we drilled a hole right here,
Okay.
and then we did a hole and a hole, and then wrapped the one end, the smaller stuff,
Yeah.
around there, and then drilled all the way through.
Oh, yeah.
You have those pieces?
Yeah.
See if we did a strap around there after we weld this,
Okay.
and then lay that piece on lengthwise,
Yep.
and weld around here to that, and then do a bolt over here. I'm not saying it'll be great. Oh yeah. Right on the knuckle. 70 to 120 amp. Hey Mike, you got the hammer? Okay, got it.
Yep. All right.
Okay. Okay. That's okay. That one's decent.
Yeah, that's
This one,
not really there.
well, I've got to get something in there.
Right, yeah, there's not, without being able to take the tire off.
I don't know. I think we need to turn it.
You're not the other 8,000. I think you'll be 7,500.
All right. Turn the wheel.
All the way,
Yeah,
Driver?
A little bit more.
okay.
Okay, come back now.
All right, so I got it in there.
Now we got to figure out how to get some weld on right there. It's going to be interesting. It burns so fast.
Yeah, it just disappears.
Okay, Mike, you by any chance have a marker?
That looks pretty good.
We need drill bits, and I'm gonna have to fire up the grinder.
Yeah, it's fine.
Got a weld here and a weld here,
Right.
and it's going to expand, but it shouldn't really go anywhere.
Hopefully.
Okay, so then right there, we should be able to drill and tap those 2 holes. Okay, what do we got for this short? Another shorty?
Yeah, there should be one in there.
Yeah?
I'd say that's pretty tight.
Okay.
All right, final product. Look at that.
What was that made for?
Oh, that's for
It's that front axle we put in the WJ.
yeah.
The extra ones we made that didn't fit, I threw in here just for scrap metal.
For things of this nature.
Yeah, and like the angle of that exactly fit that perfect. It's total randomness. We just held it up
2
there
bolts.
and drew on it with a marker,
Kind of
then cut it out,
went
formed it
around the knuckle. Can capture all our broken pieces. We'll see.
We'll see. We'll see what happens.
All right, she's still steering.
He's made it about 40 feet. We are happy. I should not be as shocked as I am that the repair is working. But I'm pretty impressed with that. That worked out pretty well. It's doing great. It's driving down. I think it's going to drive all the way to the parking lot, and then they got a trailer. They're talking about trailering it back to Denver because they can't have parts till sometime next week. So I think it's cool. I'm stoked.
Cool. It's way cool.
I'm stoked.
Heck yeah.
That's a heck of a little design on the fly kind of thing.
Yeah.
Just don't make eye contact while I put it on.
Let's get rid of this trash,
Joe.
trash.
There is absolutely nothing to see here.
Oh, Mike, what are you up to, Mike?
Yeah, go look over there. What? Here, Mike, can you hold that down there?
Okay.
And then I'm going to...
Can you hold my rubber for me?
Yeah, will you hold it?